Welcome back to another Art for Kids Sunday. Today we're going to be creating a cute ice cream cone, so let's get started. Today I have my Kurotoga mechanical pencil for our sketch. Got my Mount Fuji eraser just in case we make a mistake or we need to clean up some extra lines. Colors we'll be using today is a black for the outline. I have a pink, a red, a yellow, an orange, a light blue, and a purple. So we might use all of them and we might not. We'll just see how things go. So let me put all these things to the side and let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is make a couple of circles where our ice cream is going to be. So I'm going to do one, let's say right here. So that will be one scoop. And then the other scoop's going to be about right here maybe. And then we're going to have our cone right there. Okay, and let me see. I'm going to put some little decorations here. We're going to have a couple of maybe like a cookie sticks. I'm going to go up right here and we're going to have another one out about right there. So we're just kind of blocking in where we want our things to go. I think that's about right. And we're going to put a cherry about right here. So let's put in an oval for our cherry. And then we'll put like a little stem coming out about right there. Let me see if my proportions are right. Let's see, this ice cream cone is going to have some eyes right here and then a cute little mouth right there. I think that's good. And over here he's going to be looking the other way. Have an eye right here and an eye right there, and then he's going to have a little V mouth. And I think that's about it. I think that's good enough. So let's get started on this. So let's do our coloring first. Actually, we can clean up a little bit of these lines. I don't think I need to clean up much. The sketch came out pretty good and pretty quick. Maybe right there. Okay, I think that's good. Let's start doing some colors. So the top scoop, actually, you know what? Let's make the ice cream melting a little bit. So maybe make a little, maybe a little dripping down on his head. And then maybe here. And then come up right there. That's good enough. We'll do like that. So let's take out this bottom line right there. Okay, and then our bottom one, we're going to have him melting a little bit too. So we're going to come to about right here and let's put like a little loop there. And then we're going to have him dripping down the cone some. And maybe another one. And then we're going to have another loop there. And then it's going to go ahead and connect to his head. All right, that turned out pretty good. So let's get our coloring in. We're going to do the top scoop with a pink. So let's get that started in. And we're probably going to speed this up like I normally do. You guys can pause the video if you'd like, and then pick back up when we finish this top scoop. Okay, got our top scoop done. Let's do our bottom scoop now. That's going to be this light blue color. Okay, we got that one done. Now let's do the cherry. We're going to do him in red, of course. Cherries are red. That's good. And let me see here. This kind of cookie thing is going to have a kind of a candy cane type pattern on it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of draw like a stripe and color that in, and then we're going to draw another stripe down here. Okay, and then maybe one more. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Okay, and then the other one, let's see. Let's make him we'll do the same light blue. So we're going to make him have a blue stripe on this one. And try not to like match the lines on the stripes because we want them kind of separated from each other. So that's kind of an art rule. You don't want to like make it look like there's a continuation like I kind of did right there. I can kind of bring this up a little bit more maybe where that doesn't meet perfectly. Maybe down here too. All right, that's good. Let's do our yellow for our straw color and our cookie, whatever you want this to be, and then our cone also. So we're going to do that yellow in between the stripes. Okay, and then our cone. Okay, I like it. Now let's take our orange color. And what we're going to do with our orange color is make these lines on the cone here. So let's just kind of go over the top of them, kind of dark. And I think that's it. And let's bring one down here. And then I'm not going to follow that line because I want these spaced out a little bit more. So about right there, and maybe one right there. You really can't tell. All right, I think that is almost going to be it. But what we're going to do is we're going to put some little rosy cheeks for these ice cream cones. So let's just do like a little oval under the eye. Put that in red, and we'll do another one over here. A little oval under the eye for some little rosy cheeks, and we're going to give the blue guy some also. So one right there, and maybe one right there. All right, there's his little rosy cheeks, and let's put a heart right here. Just give it a little decoration. The heart to go up a little bit more. That's good. I like that. Let's put another heart up here. That's good. And let's take our orange and just do something like that. Maybe do something like that. Just make it stylized a little bit. Let's do one over here. I think that's good. All right. Now let's do our black outline. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the eyes. And let's give this one an eyelash right here. So just put a line like that. And like that. And then this one is a cute little mouth like that. Let's do his eyes on the blue one. All right. And he's not going to have any eyelashes. She's pink, so she's a girl, and this is a boy's blue. So let's do the little V for the shape for the mouth right there. And then let's go ahead and do our outline now. So we can just go ahead and outline these ice cream cones, or ice cream scoops, shall I say. Okay, like that. And then let's do our cherry, like that. And then just do a line like this, and then have the stem coming out like that. Okay, that looks good. Let's do our cookie or straw, whatever we're calling it. One right there, and we'll do one right here. And we're not going to outline the little stripes here. We're just going to let the colors be that one. And then the bottom scoop here. There we go. Our hearts, they don't need an outline either. Let's do our cone. And can there be anything else added? I think that's going to do it, guys. I think that turned out really good. I'd love to see what you guys made. If you could post it on Instagram, take a picture, have your parents help you do that, put it on Instagram, and tag it with Art for Kids Sunday and chameldoesart. I'll be able to take a look at that. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get a notification of when I upload the new Art for Kids Sunday. And with that, I will see you next Sunday. Take care and keep creating